Hello, I'm Charlie, and today I want to answer the question, what is affiliate marketing? So if you're here, it's because you're doing a bit of research, you've heard something about affiliate marketing, all the buzz around affiliate marketing and how it's a great business model to get started online. Maybe you're looking to get started yourself. You've been looking for an option for starting an online business, making a bit of money on the side. We're going through some strange times right now. Times are tough. A lot of people are at work. There's some real big issues in the world, and I wish the best to everyone. But working online can be an answer for a lot of people. For me, I work full time and I run an affiliate marketing business on the side. I have a family, a growing family. We've got a third kid on the way. I've got a 2 year old, a 5 year old, and another one due very soon, in about a week actually, from recording this video. So exciting times for me, but I'm going to answer that question today, and not only that, but I'm going to show you how you can get started for free. There are ways you can do it for free, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. This is the great thing about affiliate marketing, is that the barrier of entry is so low. Although I'm going to show you an option for getting started for free, I always recommend that you put a bit of skin in the game. Put a bit of skin in the game, treat it like a business, because at the end of the day, it is going to be a business, whether it's a side hustle or not. This can earn you a lot of money potentially, so treat it like that. And when you tested it, you want to go and have a play with the stuff I'm going to show you in a minute, then that's fine. But once you had a look at that, I've also put together a free training series all about affiliate marketing. That's going to be in the link below this video, and I'll talk a lot more about it and how you can get started with a proper training program that is very cheap, guys. It's very cheap. The cost of a couple of coffees at the most. So it's really cheap, and that way every piece of the puzzle already been put together for you by someone who knows what they're doing, and this will make all the difference for you if you're looking to start a business. But today, I'm going to talk about what is affiliate marketing. So essentially, the basics of affiliate marketing is you're going to go and promote someone else's product. Someone has taken the time to create a product, whether that's it can be in multiple different niches. I mean, you can do info products, there can be software programs, there can be health and wellness, dog training, there's physical products, there's a huge, vast variety of products out there you can promote, and you'll be surprised how many businesses have affiliate programs. We talk about Amazon. I talk about this. I use that as an example in a lot of my videos. But Amazon has Amazon Associates, which is their affiliate program, and through that you can go and sign up. It's free to sign up, and you can go and promote products in there. So that's a great way to get started for free. Is if you like tech, you like laptops and cameras, maybe you're a photographer, or you like drones or kids' toys, whatever it may be. You can go and do reviews here on YouTube. You can, if you don't want to be on camera, you can go and write a blog or something. And in that, you talk about the product, you do your honest review, and then if it's a good product, you can say, look, if you want to buy it, there's a link here. Just click on the link, you can go and buy it, and that will send them back through to Amazon. When they buy that product, you'll get commission. The issue I find with physical products are the commissions tend to be very low, because obviously the company's got to make some money. Amazon's got to make some money. There's a lot of people in the chain, so your commissions are, fairly low. At the most, 10%, 8 or 10% commissions. That's why I don't get involved with physical products. I tend to find that info products and software are the best models, because you can get upwards of 50% commissions, in some cases 90 and 100% commission of the upfront product, and this is where it becomes really powerful. If you just think about it, you have a product that's $100, for instance. We're talking dollars because a lot of the products are valued in dollars, but $100, and you get 100% commission for that upfront product, you'll get $100 straight off for that. But not only that, with some different programs, depending on where you sign up, is that you'll then get upsells, downsells, and potentially subscriptions as well. that will all be tied into you. So once they bought that initial product, you get that initial commission, but you can also get commissions later on down the line as they buy more products, your customers buy more products. And this is where you can see the power of affiliate marketing. And not just that, you don't have to have any customer service, you don't have to create products, you don't have to do any shipping or delivery, nothing like that. All you have to do is learn marketing skills and sales skills. Copywriting is part of that, but these are the essential skills that you'll need to learn, and it is a skills-based business, so you need to learn the skills. The method I'm going to show you in a second, which will be using your social media platform to promote products, again is a free way to do it. You can do it for free, but it's going to take you time, because you need to learn how to sell the stuff on there, etc., etc. But I'm going to give you a lot of advantages by showing you how to set it up right. So let's jump over. Now you've got the basics of what affiliate marketing is. I'm going to show you first off where you can promote it, and then I'm going to show you where you can get affiliate links from one particular place. There's many out there, but I'm going to show you one. I don't want the video to be too long, so we'll jump over there and go and have a look, and then you can get started for free. But don't forget as well, I've done the free training series, which is in the link below this video, and that goes a bit more in depth into affiliate marketing, how you can set the whole business up, how you can really get the ball rolling, and it doesn't cost you anything. So you've got nothing to lose. All you've got to do is stick your best email in there, because the training's emailed across on consecutive days. So anyway, let's jump over. And you can see we're on Facebook here. So I use my Facebook profile as a business tool. I'm no longer a consumer of content on Facebook, but a creator, because this is not a social platform for me anymore. What I use it for is business. So I set up my profile to look like a business page. So it's all about the picture. You have your profile picture, your cover photo. Having a Facebook group is a big part of that. Something that I've learned through my organic marketing strategies, which is what this is. Essentially, you're going to use Facebook as an organic marketing strategy, but then you can put stuff in, like your links, for your affiliate links. I've got my YouTube channel link in here, you can see, and then I'll have links to other things, so other tools and stuff that I promote, I can put into my Facebook profile. So as you generate interest in your profile, you can drive people directly into those offers on your links. Not just that, but this is where the organic marketing comes in really powerful. Is you create some content, all the stuff you're learning, and I speak to so many people that struggle with creating content for Facebook, but you have to remember, once you get started, you're learning new skills, and you only have to be one step ahead of someone else, and you can help them achieve their goals. And if you can do that, then you can attract attention, you can build your reputation, your personal brand, and in doing so, you'll be able to promote products to people. So you create your content based around your business. So everything I create on here is all based around what I do online, which is affiliate marketing. It's how to grow businesses. I do videos once a week. Feel free to go and join me on Facebook and check these out. So I give away a lot of information on here, all based in my content that I create and the videos that I create. But I use Facebook just like I use YouTube as a social media marketing platform to build my own business. And this is what you can do. I'm sure any of you guys have got, maybe it's not Facebook, maybe it's Instagram. This is just an example. Maybe it's Twitter, maybe it's TikTok even. But you can use all of those social media platforms, but just change the way you think about it. You have to adapt the profile slightly, so you've got to make it look more business-like. So people have an attention span of only a few seconds. And once you've got some attention, people are going to click on your profile, they're going to have a look. First thing they're going to see is your profile picture and your cover photo, and then your intro at the top here. They might have a little flip down that, and you want it to look like you're set up for business. You're not in it for fun. So it takes a bit to change it. If you're a bit attached to your Facebook profile, your social media platform, I would recommend that you do need to change it. You need to get out of the habit of being a consumer and using it for pleasure, turn it into a business tool. But once you've got all that set up, these links that I was talking about here, and the fact that you're going to be talking to more people through your engagement, so you'll get people commenting on your posts, and then you can kind of make conversations, build relationships with those people, and then potentially your products might be able to help them out. So you'll talk to them in Facebook Messenger, and then you can drive them into phone conversations maybe if you're selling high ticket products. Or if not, you can just send them on. If they want to have a look at the link, you can say, do you want to check out this product I got? They might be up for it, and you can send a link. So where do I get the links from? Well, where can you get the links from for free? If you want to start for free, well, where you get them from, one of the places, there's many websites out there, but one of the biggest ones is ClickBank. You can go and search out, it's just clickbank.com. But here, you're able to go come to the marketplace. Sorry. In here, this is what it will look like. So this is the marketplace, free to sign up, doesn't cost you anything, and then you can see your categories down here. So obviously with affiliate marketing, you have to pick a niche. Something I briefly mentioned before, but I recommend info products and software packages because the commissions are higher than physical products. But there's also, you have betting systems, investments, so there's forex trade and stuff like that. There's a lot of people that do that sort of side. Education, self-development, games, health and fitness. These are all big industries for affiliate marketing. And what you can do, let's go in health and fitness. You can go into here and you can go and click on any of these links, beauty, dental health. So let's go on beauty. Click on there, and these are then all the products that you can promote, and this is it. So you can go onto the affiliate page here and sign up. You can go and check the product out. There's all multiple different products in here. You can go and have a flick through. Something I always recommend to people that I work with is I recommend you don't just get a link and start throwing it around. It will not work for you if you try and do that. All you're going to do is tarnish your reputation, because if you get the link for one of these products, say I just take this link off here and I start firing at people, I don't even know what the product does. I don't know if it solves any problem. It might be absolute garbage. It might be rubbish. And how can you ethically promote something if it's like that? So what I always recommend is that you buy the product yourself, you consume the entire thing. And this is another reason why I like info products and self-development products, digital products, is because they help you grow as well. So program that I jumped in on at the beginning, it taught me everything about setting up my business, and then through that I can then promote it. Other training programs, I spent thousands of dollars on training programs and coaching, and all of that I can then promote. I get access to promote, and if I think it's worth it, then I can promote it. But what I've done is I've bought the products, I've consumed the whole thing, understand it, understand what problems it solves, how it helps people, and then I can ethically promote it. So that is it, guys. It's that simple to get started. You can go and get your links off of ClickBank. There's other ones like JVZoo and some other websites as well. Loads of them you can go and check out. But you can go and get your links off of there for free. Like I said, always recommend you buy the product and consume it. There's some low cost products in there. It all depends on what niche you choose. You might have products already. If you don't, then in the training series that I've put together, I talk about a training program that is perfect for anyone. It's, if you have no experience at all, you failed in the past, and you're really struggling, you're getting to your wits end, and you're really like right on the verge of just giving up, then please don't. Check out the training that I've put together, and then go and click the link and watch my mentor's video on the power of this program. And it's so cheap. It's incredibly cheap. So just go and check that out. And yeah, this is how you can do it. If you want to do it for free, do it like that. But I would always recommend put some skin in the game, guys. Treat it like a business. Get stuck in. And if you want any help, feel free to reach out. Put a comment below here. There's also a link to message me on Facebook below here. I spend a lot of time on there, and I reply to all of the messages I get. So just shoot me a message, ask me any questions you have, or just introduce yourself. come and say hello, and let me try and help you as well. Give me some feedback on the training that I've put together, which is in the link below. Yeah, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If this has helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, guys, because I put more content out all about affiliate marketing and building business online, earning money online. Every week I put new content out there, and my whole goal with this channel is to try and help you build your business as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll speak to you soon. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.